Let's talk about traffic stops and what you should do if you find yourself in the middle of one. Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for over 7.5 years, and I want to help you make law easy by talking to you a little bit about what to do if you find yourself at a traffic stop. Uh, so it's never a fun feeling when you're driving down the road and you look up in your rearview mirror and you see the red and blue lights flashing behind you. It's okay to feel frustrated. It's okay to feel nervous, but whatever you do, do your best not to panic. It's going to be fine. Um, Cops can stop you for any number of reasons. You can have a tail light that's out. You don't signal properly. Maybe you're going too fast. Maybe you've got just a little air freshener dangling, over your rearview mirror that's obstructing your view. Anything like that gives a cop enough reason to stop you. What this means in that situation, though, is that you're in kind of a weird situation. You're not under arrest, you're not in the police custody, but you're also not free to leave. So, the number one thing I can tell you is be very, very cautious about what you say when answering the cops' questions. Um, don't be rude or disrespectful. Absolutely, they're out here; they're doing their job. Even if they want, even if you feel like they're acting like a jerk to you, be very courteous and be very respectful back to them. Make sure you have your license and insurance ready. If you don't have an actual physical paper copy of your insurance, make sure that you have it pulled up on your phone so that way they can verify that for you. And then just be very aware of the fact that they can still ask you questions and they are not required to read you your Miranda rights when you're not actually being placed into custody. So, what this means is that if you're in a situation where you end up saying something that you shouldn't have, you can't get it thrown out at court, at trial, for not being Mirandized. But what it also means is that you still have the right to remain silent. Don't just stand there stone faced. That's not going to help. But what you can do is just look at the officer and say, Officer, I'm sorry, but I'm exercising my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent at this time. Or I'm exercising my Fifth Amendment right to refuse to answer that question. They're not going to like that, but there's not much that they can do about that. Don't let them search your car unless you truly don't think you have anything to hide. But even then, you know, don't do the officer's job for them. If they ask to search your car, say absolutely not. You don't have a warrant. I'm not going to give you that permission. They can tell if you do that though, just be aware that they can hold you longer while they, get a drug dog out or something like that to do a sniff around your car to see if they can get probable cause to search it without your permission. But the best thing I can tell you is be polite, be respectful, and be very aware of the fact that you still have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, and they don't have the obligation to Mirandize you at that point. If you have questions about this, or if you were just recently in a traffic stop and you think that something might have happened that we need to be aware of that could help you, absolutely give us a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.